Alright guys, you already know we got some CP. We better unbox some more crates. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's see. Oh yo, that's sick. Look at that. Nice and juicy. Yeah, let's cop this. Let's cop these crates, boys. Let's get it. Oh man, I didn't want this stupid gun. What the hell is this thing, bruh? When am I ever gonna use a flashbang? They're trash. Alright, alright. Alright, so we got this backpack, which isn't too bad actually. So, you know, we chillin'. Another backpack. Who wants that? Not me. It's not even a bad skin. It's just like there's no extra color to it. Like I don't see myself ever using that in a game. No, that's terrible. The Chickum is trash, guys. No one can tell me different. Same with the SMRS. Like, who uses this? It's so useless. You can only shoot like 3 times, and then you can never shoot it again. It's pointless. And this one is just even worse. It's literally just the worst version of the SMRS. I don't even know what this is. I couldn't tell you what. Oh, this is the Battle Royale zombie thing, I think. I don't know. Trash, useless. Same pistol. Woo. It's not bad. I have better frames though, so there's not really a point of me using that. Same flashbang. Wow. So surprising. Who would have thought that I would get the flashbang again? Scalpel. That's trash. Let's go. We got a revolver, guys. No way. Whoa, that's so right. Man, look how sick that is. Like, I just want this. Look how beautiful that is. How beautifully put together it is. Same with the karambit. But I guess not today. Oh well, guess we didn't get anything good. Might as well look at the pistol, or what was it, the revolver. Let's look at this.
Free for all.
Alright, it's not bad. You don't see much when you're scoped in, only a little bit of, like, color change. Oh, I didn't even notice it changes colors. That's sick, actually. Don't know what that guy was doing, but okay.
Shield turret is ready.
3 kills for me. 3 kills for me. Oh no.
Recon standing by.
People just don't
UAV
die.
recon
Like,
is standing
I swear
by.
to God, so many of those hits should have killed him. Is that a person I see? Nope, guess not.
UAV online.
Die, bro. No, I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to do that either. Sorry, guys. Nope.
Sentry gun ready to deploy. spotted.
Alright, let's go. Oh, that guy died to my hive. Alright. Oh, what's the plan? What do we do to the last guy? Let's melee him. There we go, boys. Easy dub with the revolver. Good stuff. Alright. So yeah, even though it's not a gun I wanted, it's not bad. It's a good gun. Especially with the new update, all the new attachments. You can pretty much rank any gun OP now. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching.
Mission accomplished.